Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable bass boost for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. The first one is to use an application. You should install JBL Portable app and also add your speaker to the application. After that you can open it and your speaker should be connected with the application and turn on. Then the application open for you speaker menu. And right here we have bass boost. So to enable bass boost, just tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Then select you want to use deep or punchy basses. Just tap at the best one for you. And to disable it, also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. The second option is to use control at your speaker. At the top we have controls and right here we have the button with B letter. So this one is bass boost. To enable bass boost you need to or single press or double press at this button. If you want to enable deep bass you need to single press at the Bluetooth button and then single press to swipe to the punchy and single press more to disable bass boost. But you already can click at the you can double press at the bass boost button and you will enable punchy. 1, 2. Now I just did it, and to enable it press one time at the bass boost button. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.